Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Two arrested in actor Shravani's death case. Two men who accused each other for the alleged suicide of television actor K. Shravani were arrested here by the SR Nagar police on charges of harassing, torturing, and forcing the actor to end her life. Shravani was found hanging in her house in Madhura Nagar last Tuesday. Those arrested were A. Devraja Reddy, 24, of Kakinada in East Godavari, and M. Sai Krishna Reddy, 28, of Dharmavaram in Anantapur. Heavy rains lash Andhra Pradesh under influence of low pressure area in Bay of Bengal. Under the influence of a low pressure area in the Bay of Bengal, moderate to heavy rains lashed several parts of Andhra Pradesh. Several streams and rivulets are overflowing with floodwater, and at several places, causeways and low level bridges were submerged, snapping road links and disrupting vehicular traffic. With low lying areas in Nandiyal town of Kurnool district inundated with rain and floodwater, fire department personnel, with the help of youth volunteers, rescued people from submerged colonies and shifted them to safer places. Andhra Pradesh fresh COVID 19 cases dipped to 7,956, tally rises to 5.75 lakh. Fresh COVID 19 cases in Andhra Pradesh slumped below the 8,000 mark after about 3 weeks on Monday, taking the tally to 5.75 lakh. But the number of tests too came down by more than 10,000. As many as 9,764 patients got cured and discharged from hospitals, while 60 more succumbed to the pandemic as the toll mounted to 4,972. A government bulletin said the total number of cases rose to 5,75,079, while the recoveries increased to 4,76,903. Madras High Court Judge 6 contempt proceedings against actor Surya for remarks on NEET. High Court Justice S.M. Subramaniam wrote a letter to Chief Justice Amreshwar Pratap Sai seeking to initiate criminal contempt proceedings against Tamil actor Surya over his remarks about the court order to conduct the national eligibility cum entrance test despite COVID-19 pandemic. Actor Surya in a statement said 3 NEET aspirants in Tamil Nadu died by suicide due to fear and stress. Surya urged the government to scrap NEET permanently since it kills the dreams of the children who hail from poor families. He also said that the entire stakeholders have to raise their voice in scrapping NEET. Stick to either online or offline mode, says Telangana HC on exams. A two-judge panel of the Telangana High Court on Monday found that the stance of the government in conducting examinations to the final semester students of undergraduate and postgraduate courses was unclear. JNTU Hyderabad said midterm exams would be conducted online and the semester exams through offline mode. The panel suggested the government to take a decision and stick to conduct of either online or offline exams but not both. CM KCR assures employment to keen of deceased SCCL workers. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao on Monday said the state government will take serious measures to provide employment on compassionate grounds to the keen of Singareni workers who die in harness apart from ensuring hassle-free retirement benefits. We will definitely look into it, but the candidates should have some patience as posts cannot be created for them. When posts relevant to their educational qualifications fall vacant, priority will be given to them, he assured. Andhra Pradesh Telangana RTC heads to meet in Hyderabad on Tuesday. With uncertainty looming over an interstate agreement for resumption of bus services to Telangana, APS RTC Vice Chairman and Managing Director M.T. Krishna Babu has decided to hold talks with his Telangana counterpart Sunil Sharma in Hyderabad on Tuesday.
With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share, and subscribe Pie and Times.